AFC Championship, man. We got the Patriots. We got the Patriots versus the Broncos. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I ain't gonna lie. I'm excited, bro. I'm excited, bro. I'm excited. I ain't gonna lie. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. Let's get into it, bro. I low-key have the Broncos not winning. Got you. You thought I was going. Almost. Why that shit sound like a baseball bat, though? Why that shit sound like a baseball bat? Steamer! Who that is? Who that is? Get him some then. Get you some then. You seen him. I seen him. You seen him. I seen him. Touchdown. That's quick. That's quick. That's quick. I fuck with how everybody put their chains up under their shit though. Stefan. His shoulder pads a little, ain't they? That shit out of here. No, sir. No, sir. Is that Troy Polamalu? Watch out, watch out! That's D. That's D. Turnover. That's Broncos D. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. That's well execution. That's well execution. Ah, you gotta catch those. A little behind, but you gotta get those though, baby. You got hands on it, legs on it, meat on it. You gotta catch those. Balls did not drop. She got Patriots. That's D. I ain't gonna lie. That's Broncos D. 30-15? What you got? Nothing. What kind of... How did you fuck this ball up? How did you throw a bad pass right here? You just threw a fucking duck pack. Look at that ball. The fuck? He's nervous. I'm not gonna lie. Patriots win this game. They don't win the championship. They don't win the Super Bowl, bro. Quarterback playing like that, they don't win a Super Bowl, bro. I ain't gonna lie. His asshole is this big. Cheeks literally like this. I'm gonna lie, his shit clenched up. Booty hole, little as hell. First. Down D-pad. Okay. That's good. That's good. That's good reads. Broncos got a decent ass playbook. Am I tripping? About 1 yard short. Gotta go for it. Get in there. Ooh, pick! Go with the stat pat. Go with the stat pat. Go with the stat pat. That's a good catch, too. That's a good he ain't catch that shit. Look at that defense, though. Look at that defense, though. Look at that defense. Look at that defense. Gotta get something. Nice. Go ahead and complete that. I know he be getting his little hair pulled on. What the fuck? Brother. Who is this, bro? Nah. Drake May. He's shitting. He's shitting the bed, bro. I don't lie, the Broncos looking real superior right now. Broncos looking real superior right now. Who you gonna throw the ball? Get the ball! Big man scooped that bitch on one hand. Is that a fumble? Ref don't even know he was sitting right in front of their ass. What the fuck are you looking at? Oh. Backwards pass. Tried to get rid of it. Gotta score here though. 10-yard line. Yeah, gotta get in there. Gotta get in there. Gotta get in there. Quick little 10 yards. Nothing major. Look, homie, we major. We major. Do 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 do. Feeling never fell before. Start well. Lay that shit down, little nigga. Come on. Turnover. I'm not gonna lie, bro. No. This ain't looking like my blood is boiling. No troll. I feel it, bro. This don't look like championship ball, bro. Both quarterbacks are fucking stinking. The only thing that's looking good is Broncos defense. That's the only thing that's looking good is the Broncos defense, bro. That's legit the only thing that's looking good right now. That's good D. What y'all got? 50 seconds. Fuck off me. I don't care about my shirt being ripped. First down and out of bounds. Good blocks. Good blocks. Make those. Free throws missed. Free throws missed. Halftime tie game. Got the first. About the best thing you could do. What happened? Free throw. I'm not lying when I say this don't look like championship ball, bruh. I'm not happy about this. Good D. It's a good D. I'd rather watch IU. Okay. Okay, mate, so you put that thing on the ground. Okay. Heard you. Block. First. Maybe a little inches. Yeah. He fuck on and didn't get that. He fuck around and didn't get that. Let me see that UAV. See that UAV. Oh, you got it. UAV don't lie. You seen him. Patriots, get the ball back. Come on. In them boards. Oh, he faked all of us out, didn't he? You better get your ass down. I know that's what you better do. Oh, that's no hitting. Bro, why didn't you like get off of the shits? What the Another free throw. Another missed free throw.
Motion detected at the Jarvis.
That's true. That's true. That's true. Weather. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Well, they got the green screen on? Little nigga. Go for it. Go for it. Or not. Wait, what big folks celebrating for? Another free throw tie game? I ain't gonna lie, bro. I want to blame the weather. I swear I do. But God, what am I watching? What am I watching? What am I watching? It's the weather. I'm going to just chalk it up as the weather, bro. Fuck that! You get paid millions of dollars, bro. Millions! Y'all done kicked hella balls in the snow. That's like 3 missed free throws, bro. It's like 3 missed free throws. Broncos last chance, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This shit troll. Why did he throw that? So first. We just gonna say? Are we just gonna chalk it up and say it was the weather? Do we just like chalk it up as a whole and say it was the weather? Like what we thinking? What we thinking? We just gonna chalk that one up and say it was the weather or what? What y'all thinking? Cause that's bad, bro. The game to go to the Super Bowl, that's bad. That's bad. That's terrible. That's really bad. That's really, really bad. That's bad. Congrats, Stefan. Congrats. Stefan, get in there. Hopefully, Drake can get you the ball, bruh. Hopefully he can get you the ball, bruh. Patriots versus Seahawks. Patriots versus Seahawks. I see y'all Sunday, bro. I got nothing to say for this game.